All right. Today I've got the $2 Phoenix, and it actually glides. There's a demo video preview on it. You just hold it right here and just throw it medium strength, not hard, not real soft, and it'll glide pretty straight. Auto corrects in the air too. It's pretty cool. It's not the greatest flying plane. Doesn't fly as good as my plane because you can really throw that one hard if you want. I also have these little birds of prey guarding it. So this is the first one, and I managed to make a second one. So hopefully I'll be doing a video on that real soon. So the $2 Phoenix kind of looks like it has eyes right there and right there too. And it's pretty easy to fold actually, except for two creases. And there's one piece. And the wings. All right. So you fold the bill up 1/3 from the bottom edge to below the serial number. Crease that down nice and sharp. Fold it in half. And now make a fold from the point of the crease here to the point of the wingtip. Now don't let it go rolling this way. If it's off and it's this way, it's okay. But the other way will cause turbulence on the wingtips. So fold that down, crease it really well. Now fold it back in half and do the same fold on this side, but make the wing match up on both sides. So whatever way the point came out here, just duplicate it on this side, crease that down. And open it up. Now there's two more folds when we fold the wing down. You can't really do it right now very well because, well, you don't want the back of the wings going lower. You want them going higher, but we'll fold it when we get it in the other part of the plane. So it's going to be about like that. Okay, so for the tail of the Phoenix, you just fold this corner over, line it up really well, crease that down, open up, fold it the other way, crease that down really well, flip it over and make a horizontal line intersect those two creases. So you can also see the point right here of the two creases, and you can see the two creases line up right here. So get that nice and lined up. Check the other side. Ooh, perfect. Crease that down, flip it back over, open it up, and squash fold. Then do a mountain fold right on this line. So fold that back, get it nice and straight. We don't have a crease in the middle, so you're just going to have to make sure you line it up. Now flip it back over to this side and fold the bottom 1/3 up. It goes right through the serial number, or on the back, it cuts right through the little tiny number right here. There's a little tiny number. Mine says 137. Just fold it right through there, straight across. Make all your creases nice and stiff. Now fold this down right on the edge of that. This is thirds again. Crease that down. Oops, little corners. Fold it over. Okay, now we're going to take this flap and tuck it into this pocket. So there's a little pocket right here. Open that up. Take this corner and get it all the way up in there so that this goes back into thirds. Alright. Now just crease it on down the middle. Nice and even. And then open it up. And on the side with the loose edges, we're going to tuck that flap in a pocket we're going to make on this corner. So do an airplane fold to the center line. Do one on this side too. If either one's bigger, make it this side with the pocket. Then open these up. Now we got to reverse this fold. So you've just got to get the paper open here and tuck that corner in like that. Just trying to go a little bit far right here on me. It's because there's two layers on one side. It's alright if it's not totally perfect. It's just to hold the front of the plane together. So you need a tight fit when you stick this in though. So now re-crease that and stick it in this flap right here that you just made. Get it in there nice and flat, fully inserted. And crease this back down. But now, hold it back here and lift these up. So it's like this now. Then you take the wing piece and put it over the fuselage part. And then this single edge of paper slides underneath, right in that little groove right there. Right under this, under here. So just hold it together and slide it all the way back to where this paper meets that end of the triangle. Alright. Then crease down the wings and let them go not parallel, but just give it a little bit past. Make the other one the same. Line up the wings, the wing tips. Right there. Now crease that all down good. So then just lift the wings up a little bit like that to fly it. Make sure it's slid all the way back. And just give it a gentle throw like that and it'll fly. It's pretty hard to make it fly if you're not real experienced at just in airplanes. But you can round these wings a little bit. But don't let the underside unfold. So let's just crease them like this. There we go. That's how you do it. Just crease them with your nail on the underside. It curves a little bit. Give it a little rounding and then crease it back. So, it's really mostly a display model. I mean, it's a Phoenix, So you don't have to fold these down that far to display it. But it makes a nice X looking shape from the back if you want to fly it. Let's see if we can do it right here. And I threw it a little bit too hard. You want to point it down just a little bit when you throw it. Still had a little bit too much lift. And when it crashes, it comes apart, which is kind of cool, sort of, in a way. So just make it slid all the way back in before you throw it. Just hold it right here. And you can experiment with different wing angles. Maybe folding them down straighter. These just have a little bit of an angle. That's fine. And it did fly. It did fly once off cam, though. Sorry. And I have a little demo video of it flying. But it mostly just looks cool as a Phoenix. And so there you have it. Hope you enjoy the model. And have a great day.